In this demonstration of the fractional distillation of crude oil, we shall discuss two video clips. In the first, the teacher is conducting the demonstration alone, managing all roles in the classroom. The second shows the technician undertaking the practical procedure, while the teacher stands to one side and discusses the science behind the demo and manages the behaviour of the group.
So here we have the standard setup for the fractional distillation demonstration, and what we're going to do is we're going to run through this in two slightly different ways. The first way is using the teacher to conduct the demonstration, and the second is to use another adult, and we'll discuss reasons why shortly. So what we've got is the standard round bottom flask, thermometer, condenser, and then some fraction tubes. And we are going to start by gently heating our synthetic crude oil in the round bottom flask. And all the time that we're heating that, we're keeping an eye on the thermometer, making sure that we're just bringing that synthetic crude oil up to temperature to separate off the first fraction. So gently heating, and then once we're there, getting ready to collect that first fraction into our first tube. And what we can see here is that all the time I'm conducting this demonstration, because I'm trying to keep my eye on what's going on in the round bottom flask to make sure I don't overheat it, I'm trying to keep my eye on the thermometer to check that I'm only getting one fraction coming off, and I'm trying to collect the fraction at the same time. At no point was I actually looking up to pay attention to what was going on in the classroom. I didn't know what the students were doing, making sure they were all focused and engaged with the demonstration. And because of the amount of concentration I had, I wasn't actually able to ask questions of the students to make sure that they were understanding the processes that were going on. So in this version of the demonstration, I've asked one of our lab technicians to undertake the practical side of the experiment for me. So Helen's going to start off the fractional distillation. What this means is that I can spend all of my time with my face forwards, making sure that I can see what the students are doing, checking their understanding. I'm able to ask them questions about the apparatus and techniques that we're using, and make sure they're understanding the purpose of the demonstration and the science behind what's going on.